In today's lesson, we will see how to add read and write properties in user control in Visual Basic 6. So we have created a project and there is a form, and we are going to add a user control in which we will just write a show you the read and write properties, how to create them. So I'm adding one user control here, and we'll take the first one, the user control is and in this user control what we are going to do, we are going to add one text box, and we will just set a few properties like we will change the text color from by the user control read and write properties, and also we will make the text we will also set a special property as say whether the case it will be uppercase, in uppercase, or lowercase, or simple plain cases. So say just type as it is. So that will be the special one custom property we'll set. So let us start and just add one text box here. So let us name it text1, and just so first what we will do, we will just go to the user control, and first we will go to the resize. Here what we will do, we will resize the text box with the first we will set it the left to 0 and top to 0, and make the text font dot height equal to user control dot height. The same way, let's copy paste and make the top to width to width. So this is the resizing, and now we will just go we will create one enum, make it public, enum letter case, we will name it letter case. Here upper, lower, and simple. So here are the three letter case, so by default they will be 0, 1 and 2. Okay, let us first save this one. We just create one folder here, my control, and name it txtctl. Control name is txtctl, and let us also save the project. From this test form, so test FRA, and project is test project. So next one is we will just go to the read properties. So in read properties, what we are going to do, first we will take some variables. Say we take a variable m letter case is will be equal to is like letter case, and another one is m for color, as I told you, we'll show the for color will be make it long. Oops, my fault. As let us use one thing, oily color. So now we go to the read properties and set in letter case equal to prop bag. Extremely sorry, I have not mentioned, that's why it is not coming automatically. Now it is there. I have not mentioned the private or public or dim. I have just declared the variable. See, I have just added this one. This will be a private one. So private in letter case as letter case and private in for color as oily color. Now we will use propbag.readproperties. First one is name. So our name is letter case, and default value is say simple. So the next one is for color propbag.readproperty for color, and this one is say BB black. That's the default color. So these are the two properties, and we will just go to the write properties. Now propbag dot set write property, the same thing, letter case value is in letter case and default value is the same, simple. Sorry, call, just copy pasting for color for color and baby black. So now just these are the read and write properties, and we will just now create some get and set. Let and set. So get and let one, and the first one is public property get letter case. Name should be same as letter case. Okay, return type will be enum letter case. Now remember one thing, when you are returning the enum, and when your property is public, so enum should be, declaration will be also public. You cannot make return a private member from a public property or functions. So here what we'll do, letter case equal to in letter case. Same way, public property let letter case the letter case, I just give it a name as letter case, and here in letter case equal to the letter case. Actually this will be the property, this will be assigned when you select the property from the property palette, from the property window in your form where you design the control. The same way, public property for color, get for color as oily color. I'll just explain you later why I have selected oily color. You can just see soon why I have done this. M for color equal to for color equal to M for color. Public property let for color V for remember, actually preview is not case sensitive, but still I'm just maintaining some order to make you understand. Starting with F, each word, 4 is a word and color is a word, two different, and just separated specifically with hyphen, but here I've just make it different by uppercase, starting with uppercase. So M for color equal to V for color. I've just missed one thing. You have to add one thing here in the let one, property change. If you don't provide this, the property will not get changed. Letter case in the same way in let property changed. So I think I've done with this, and now just use the control here. User control one. See, when I resize the user control, the text box also get resized. Okay, so here it is upper, here it is lower, here it is simple. So I've not used the put the functionality yet. Let's just move to the for color. First let us assign, so there is no text, so we'll just assign a property called text. We'll add one property, read property. First declare one variable, let's say mText, because I want to show you in string. I'll show you runtime in design mode, not in runtime. So you can set some text value. String, return string, text equal to mText. Okay, so the same way make it vtext. Property change text. So also do it in the read and write properties. Default is null. Text default is blank. Now let us do one thing. We will just add properties here. Text one change. Here we will use this. The right one, select case M letter case and select case upper case lower case simple. Case simple is not required because other than this all will be simple. So in upper what we will do, say first let's take a variable, say n dim pause as integer. We will take the cursor position, pause equal to text1 dot cell pause cell start. Okay, text1 dot text equal to use a function vva dot ucase, convert to uppercase, text1 dot text and text1 dot cell start equal to pause. So why we have done this? Because when you convert to uppercase, the cursor goes to the starting zero position, the starting exact starting position of the text. So it will, when we take the position and set it, it will remain where the cursor is actually. So just copy this one. Or also you can do one thing. You can just don't repeat it again and again. Just do it like this and copy this in lower, make it vba.lcase. I am done. I think I am okay with this one. Okay, so text1 is coming here. Okay, never mind. I think still it will not work. Do something else. Say just call this one in read properties. No, in let one, in let letter case, called text1 change. Now I think it will work. Select it, okay, upper, lower. You can also run it, coming simple. Make it upper. Okay, so now let us change the fore color. Okay, it's not still changing. So let us also again go to the let property and do. We actually assigned it, but we have not set the text1.fore color equal to in fore color. We haven't assigned set the fore color text1 set fore color anywhere, so we'll put it in let and in read properties, because let will work when we change the value, the user change the value in the property, but when we initiate the program or run the program, it will read from the read properties. The read property will be executed when we open the project or when you run the project. So where is the other one? Call text1 change. Okay, can you see it's changing? Red. So let us save this and close this project. Let us take a new project. Now we will just again open the previous one. You see the property is persisting. The property hasn't changed. Why is it hasn't changed? Because we have used it in set it in read properties. So when you set something in read properties, the property doesn't change, but the property has been saved. Property has been saved in the FRX file, so it is saved there. And when you next time open, but if you don't remove the write properties, you see whatever property you set, you save the file, but next time you open, it will revert back to its default values. So this is the read and write properties. So I'll just put this code, source code, this project in a link. I'll provide the link in the YouTube section, description section. You can download the code and go through it. So this is all about user control read and write properties. You can use it. So just one last thing, see why I have used OLE color, because if you have used, you can also use long, but in long you will not find this drop down, you will not find all this system and palette color. Only you have to set the value here and manually by yourself and press enter, and it will also work. But OLE color just provide you with this drop down where you get all the color, system and palette colors. So thank you very much. Please like the button if you like this video. You can also subscribe to my channel, that is SUBHRO190776. Thank you very much.